Wemangobese sekuyisikhathi ke sokuthi sikubize manje dadewethu. Awusondele awuze ngala Mangobese, uwena umsusi wayo yonke lento elizolungiswa uwena. Uyakhumbula ngesikhathi uvakashele iAction SA kwi-press conference yabo nemashi yabo? Uyakhumbula uvakashele iMK futhi nakhona wathatha imashi nemashi wayifaka ekhwapheni lo sopolitiki. Namhlanje ke labo sopolitiki laba ibona laba baxova yonke lento manje, lento eniyenzayo ninophakela umthakathi. All along uphakela umthakathi ubehleze ekhuluma ethi this is not about political party, and kuma mash abantu bebekhulunyiswa bekhumuliswa izikipa zeinhlangano ukuthi umsanukuza nezikipa zeinhlangano la, kodwa wena Mangobese ububavumela abantu beMK, ubavumela abantu boAction SA. Kanti le impi akuyona impi yeMK, le impi yeSouth Africa, le impi yama-South Africans. Namhlanje kunjena nje nabo mancinza beMK bexova ngoba akuyona into yabo le. Laba beMK ibona laba banomlomo omude njengamanje bethi uphakela umthakathi wenza ukuthi nani nani, just because bona bayi MK and bazonda uRamaphosa. Ekubeni wena Mangobese wawushilo ukuthi ungabuzwa wena ngendaba ka-30 June, indaba ka-30 June akubuza uphakela umthakathi inkosi khona ndaba amazwi akho lawo. Mangabe umongameli ke sebiza yena ke uphakela umthakathi inkosi khona ndaba lo ezombiza nge-30 ecela ukuthi akube khona ukuthula ezweni, kungabi khona ukudatshwa kwezitolo nani nani. Bekungafanele ukuthi bese wena uyathula, wena uvumela laba bantu beMK begxeke ngapha uphakela umthakathi ukuthi usethengiwe ngokuhlangana nomongameli, ngoba vele siyazi ukuthi abantu beMK bayamzonda uRamaphosa. Siyamzonda sonke uRamaphosa, kodwa njengamanje asihlangene nendaba zepolitiki. Thina sikhuluma indaba yeSouth Africa, asikhuluma indaba yeMK, asikhuluma indaba yeANC, asikhuluma indaba yeAction SA, sikhuluma indaba yeSouth Africa. IMarch and March is not a political party. Siyilandele lokho, siyilandele ngoba uphakela umthakathi eda sisukume thina madoda akuleliswe. Silwele izwe lethu. Sasukuma impela seza sazolwela izwe lethu. So wena Mangobese ongalamla lento, hlisa iMK neAction SA le oyibelethile kulento, ngoba yibo laba abantu beMK asebethu ukuphakela umthakathi ngoba bashaya bani, bazonda uRamaphosa. Manje bacanga ukuthi bakhohlwe ukuthi uRamaphosa usewumongameli wekulelizwe. Anything eyenzakalayo usasekhona, as long as njengakaphumi kula office uzoba khona. Ukuthi bayamzonda noma bamzondi, nokuthi siyamzonda noma simzondi, usase office njengamanje, uyena osawumongameli. Siyomkhipha ngosuku loluya lokuvota, kodwa njengamanje kuza abantu beMK dadwethu ngoba bafike nawe la, abaphume kulento ngoba sisafuna lo msebenzi weMarch and March ukuthi uqhubeke usebenze. Sekuningi ngabe kumele sikwenze, bangamoshi into enhle kangaka eseniyenzile. Sikuthwele Mangobese, sikuthwele ngeqoma, simthwele uphakathi, simthwele ngeqoma. Uma Mangobese ungayikhuzi lento eyenziwa abantu beMK, sizoyiyeka thina iMarch and March, kodwa sizoqhubeka nomsebenzi wobunsizwa noMsizwane Foundation. Yabo, uqhubeke nemashi nemashi lebekade ithelwa openda makwerekwere ingenasithunzi. Sizophuma nathi kuwe uma ngabe uyifukamela iMK iqhubeke ihlakaze lento enhle kangaka, ngoba abekho abanye abantu abahlakaza lento, abantu beMK. Khuza laba bantu dadewethu. Yabona labantu beMK futhi uzobona ukuthi ngempela banendaba nama South African, banendaba nebeef abanayo noRamaphosa, banendaba neqembu labo. Lento abayibhidlizayo oMancinza, oKhomo kanye nabo bonke abantu abenza no Max, nabo bonke laba bantu ababhizi befafaza lento, abanendaba nomsebenzi ongaka osuwenziwe uphakela umthakathi. Umsebenzi ongaka osuwenziwe uphakela umthakathi ababonga oMancinza, ngoba vele abanamsebenzi. Into edume emakhanda abo ipolitiki. Mancinza ndini lo namhlanje umsebenzi wakhe very easy because amakwerekwere ayiphumelele emafemini nasemsebenzini esaba uphakela umthakathi. Namhlanje ufika uthatha leyo lentoza, uthatha iCrown ngalokho ukuthi ufika sekufonelwa yena kuthiwa nawo ama-vacancies oza nabantu nani ekubini umuntu owenza umsebenzi kuwuphakela umthakathi. Akanendaba namaphara lawa athembele ukuphakela umthakathi ukuthi axosha abantu bama-drugs. Ibi-exist iMK njalo, ingayenzi lento le eyenziwe uphakela umthakathi. Ibi-exista ne-ANC njalo, ingayenzi lento eyenziwe uphakela umthakathi. Nalabo doti be-EFF bebekhona bengayenzi lento eyenziwe uphakela umthakathi. Senikwenza kube lula kangaka ukuthi nibulale umsebenzi ongaka wama-South Africans ngoba ninendaba nawo. Yabona nini ukuba benindaba nabantu base-South Africa ngaba niyenzi lento eniyenzayo Mancinza, ngaba niyenzi lento eniyenzayo balandeli be-MK ukuthi nithathe izinto zenu noRamaphosa bese nipende uphakela umthakathi ngazo ukuba beninendaba ne-South Africa, ngoba i-South Africa yonke ithembele ukuphakela umthakathi ukuthi akenze izinto ezihlula umongameli benu. Sizonikhumbuza ukuthi sila kule nkinga nje esikuyona, it's because of i-ANC, and i-MK iyingane ye-ANC. Ni-MK namhlanje niqembuke kuyona i-ANC ngalena ngoba uRamaphosa edla nabangani bakhe enivalela ngaphandle nini. So you are part of the problem nani, ngoba kulezi inkinga esibhekene nazo zidedelwe yini ngesikhathi nisalapha ku-ANC nani. Ayingadakelwana madoda, ayingadakelwana. Sizophuma nani kunina. Niyakhohlwa nini ukuthi iMK isayivotela thina la kaZulu ngoba ithi uJacob Zuma wayehamba ehambela amakhosi, ehambela amabandla, ethi ufuna ukubuyisela izwe kubantu, abuyisele izwe emakhosini. Kwasuka abantu bathi mina ngiyinkatha kodwa ngizovotela iMK, athi omunye ngiyi-FF mina, athi omunye ngiyi-DA mina. Sayivotela iMK saphuma ngoba sithi labuya ithemba, kanti mina nithi lalalaza nizoqhubeka nengqondo ye-ANC la kuphela nicashe ngegama elisha le-MK. Nizana ukusijwayela kabi nina. Sizophuma nani kunina ifuna izosijwayela kabi. Anikaze nisenzele lutho. Asikhohliwe ukuthi nina laba ebekade nidla imali zamathende kufuna ngabe ithuthukisa umphakathi, nisase lapha ku-MK, nisase lapha ku-ANC. Namhlanje niqembukile nizolandela uZuma ngapha ngoba vele nifuna phinde futhi avulele lowo mpompi. Ayingajwayelani kabi madoda. Silwela izwe la asidlali. Sukani ey'ndabeni zethu zomashi and mashi, sukani ey'ndabeni zethu. nophakela umthakathi. Manithinta uphakela umthakathi nithinta thina amadoda. Nithinta thina. Asinendaba thina namapolitikweni thina sinendaba nezwe lethu lethi. Ngoba osopolitiki basuthi bahamba ngeemoto ezinkulu lapha ya. Ithina abantu esibhekene noSikhotheni la, ithina esibhekene nabantu bama protection fee, ithina esibhekene newunga, ithina esibhekene namakwerekwere. Osopolitiki benu bahleli lapha ya nezisenkulu neemoto ezinhle nemizi emihle. Uma begula bahamba izibhedlela zaphesheya. Yisani kuyenza lento yenu. MK suke endleleni.
Yeah, guys, welcome back to Mzansi Daily Affairs. So, you've heard the guy and what he says. Basically, I don't have much to say about this. All that I need from you is just let's have a conversation in the comment section there below. And don't forget to actually leave us a like. And don't forget to actually also subscribe to Mzansi Daily Affairs. So what I can comment on concerning this topic is the same thing that I've been saying over and over. The fact that we as human beings, we have different views on how we see things. But a lot of people actually see Jacinta Ngobese as a hero. Despite everything happening, I don't believe this issue of President Cyril Ramaphosa meeting Phakela Umthakathi is way too sensitive, the way it's just overrated. I think it's just something that's overrated. It's something that is overrated and it's all over the internet. But at the end of the day, what remains speculations will be speculations. Unless the guys are proven guilty, I'll be interested in actually digging deep or knowing more about what actually transpired also. But nonetheless, I just want to actually say that I am very, very happy to see how South Africa has actually changed for the better. And it's refreshing that in our time and in our era, it's been long since we've had heroes, or we've had such a huge shake in the whole country. Such a huge, like the whole country was shaken, and that was done in the apartheid days. But now this is very, very interesting. We're still fighting for our land. Imagine, after I think about 200 years, or if I'm not mistaken, after about 200 years, we are still not actually happy with what we've received. But is it going to be that one day we are going to actually have our land to ourselves? Please, let's have a conversation. Leave us a comment down there below.